NASA and SpaceX is doing so amazing, bringing people together and inspiring them for future is brighter than today. Human spaceflight is set to begin as an American astronaut once again ready to launch on an American rocket from American soil to the ISS. NASA astronaut Robert Behnken and Douglas Hurley will fly on SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft and lifting off on a Falcon 9 rocket at 4:33 p.m. May 27. For the Demo 2 mission, this will be the first time NASA astronaut will test the spacecraft system in the orbit. If the weather fails to cooperate, SpaceX has reserved backup launch time at 12:22 p.m. on Saturday, May 30. Now you might be thinking, what is SpaceX is? Space Exploration Technology Corporation is a private American aerospace manufacturer and space transportation service company. Headquartered in California and founded in 2002 by Elon Musk. And his goal is to reduce space transportation costs to enable the colonization on Mars. And SpaceX has developed several launch vehicles and the Dragon spacecraft. NASA also awarded SpaceX a further development contract in 2011. The mission Crew Dragon will autonomously conduct with the 2 astronauts on board, departs the space station and return the Earth's atmosphere upon splashdown just off Florida's Atlantic coast. The Crew Dragon spacecraft being used for this flight test can stay in the orbit about 110 days, and the Crew Dragon spacecraft will be capable to stay in the orbit for at least 210 days as NASA's requirement. SpaceX conducted the launch of its Dragon 2 spacecraft on a NASA's requirement demonstration flight on March 2, 2019. And SpaceX is set to launch its first Crew Dragon 2 on May 27, 2020. The Demo 2 mission will be the final major step before NASA's Commercial Crew Program certify the Crew Dragon for operational long-duration missions to the space station. This certification and regular operation of Crew Dragon will enable NASA to continue the important research and technology. Future exploration of the Moon and Mars, starting with the agency Artemis program, which will land the first women and the next men on the lunar surface in 2024. If this mission works, we are going to the Moon and Mars to stay by 2024. So that's all for today with SpaceX launch. Thanks for watching Tech Talk with Ria. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified. Share with your friends and loved ones. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.